Having trouble getting your microphone to work on the Xbox app for PC? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. First, open your Windows settings. You can quickly do this by typing settings in the search bar and pressing enter. In the settings window, click on privacy. Next, select microphone from the left-hand menu. Make sure the allow apps to access your microphone toggle is switched to on. Scroll down to find the Xbox app in the list and ensure its toggle is also switched to on. Now, search for Xbox Console Companion. Older party features may still use this, so we need to enable mic permissions here as well. Scroll down and find the Xbox Console Companion app and ensure that its permissions are also enabled. Open the Xbox app and click on your profile icon to access the settings menu. Navigate to the audio settings. Verify that your correct microphone and headset are selected as the input and output devices. That's it. Restart the Xbox app and test your microphone in a party. If it's still not working, check that your microphone drivers are up to date. Now, get back to gaming with your friends.